Equivalent fractions are fractions which have different numbers on top and bottom, but represent the same number. So we've got two examples here where they want us to find two additional equivalent fractions. So for 2/3, what we need to do to find equivalent fractions is just times the top, remember that's the numerator, and the bottom, the denominator, by the same number. So it doesn't matter which number we pick, so let's pick 4. So we're going to times the top by 4 and the bottom by 4. So we've got 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 4 is 12. So 8/12 is the same as 2/3, and maybe we would times 2 and 3 by 3. So 2 times 3 would be 6, and 3 times 3 would be 9. Do exactly the same for 5/8. Let's times it by 10. That'll be a simple one. 5 times 10 is 50, and over 80. And let's maybe double it. 5 times 2 would be 10, and 8 times 2 is 16. So 10/16, 15/80, and 5/8 all the same. I'm just timesing top and bottom by the same number.